बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. रटना नहीं है, समझना है. My name is Sajida Raza. I am is 22 talk class 3. My school name is Fair Islamic School System, Hyderabad, Pakistan. Today we are going to learn class 9 maths, chapter number 4, factorization. Exercise 4.1, question number 1, part 2. And there are tons of methods to completing the square method, military method. There are types of algebraic expression. Type 1, a power 4 plus a square, b square plus b power 4. Also the book's answer written and steps 2. First is add subtract b power 4. b square plus b square plus 1 plus b square minus b square. Done this. Now second, rearrange and add b power 4 plus b, first this, second this, third this, fourth this, minus b square will become as it is. Rearrange done. Now we will add b power 4 plus 2b square plus 1 minus b square. Done this. Now take b square plus 2b plus 1. Now we will take this. It's equal to b power 4 plus 2b square plus 1. So a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Done this. First of all, b square plus 1, then b square 1, 1. Then this side will become as it is equal to b power 4 plus 2b square plus 1. Let's check it's same or not. b power 4 plus 2 b square plus 1 plus 1. Done this. Now we can use this side. Use a square minus b square. use Now this side will become bracket b square plus 1 whole square. When we come to here, we see we leave with this minus b square. We only take this b power 4. We take only this portion. Yep, na? We leave the minus b square for coming here. Now this minus b square will be come here. Minus b square. I have no space. That's why I am removing. For recalling, I am writing here 2 whole square minus b. I am writing so bad writing. I will write in correct writing when I will come to here. I have no space. That's why I am relax. It is easy, but it is lengthy. easy, this is hard. That's why easy. I'm telling you again, please easy, don't go the hurry. Bracket b square plus 1 whole square minus b square. Now I can remove this. That now we will use a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b formula. Okay, bracket b square plus 1 bracket, sorry, this not here. After this will become as it is, minus bracket b whole square. Now we can use the a square minus b square is equal to minus b whole square formula. Bracket b square plus 1 bracket plus bracket b bracket curly bracket then b square plus 1 bracket minus bracket b bracket. This is like a 3. It is not a curly bracket. Curly bracket. Then this. Now b square plus 1 plus plus then b square plus 1 minus plus minus. Look, our answer is not like our book answer. You think so, but our answer is like our book answer. Now here, this side will be come here, and this side will be come here, and here will become side will become here, and this side will be come here. It's become b square plus b plus 1 bracket b square minus b plus 1, and it's become our answer. The book's answers are written. You can check it. On the brackets come here and there. It's not that. B square minus b square minus b plus 1 b square plus b plus 1. Okay? No subscribe, no like, only share.